Hey, my name is Noel. I'm here at SEMA 2024 at the Harbor Freight booth, and I'm going to show you the new tools that are coming up for 2025. This channel has danced with some Harbor Freight tools, mostly the Icon stuff. So come on, let's check out some new tools. I had to keep that intro short as this place was packed. I'll be putting some comments and questions that were posted on the video uploaded by the Den of Tools. Starting with the one by Super Mikey, who wants more info on the Icon Coolant Pressure Tester Kit. Yup, the starting price is $599. It has 22 adapters and comes with a pressure tester. Basically, it will have most of the adapters you'll need. I suppose it's gonna have a lifetime guarantee, and it will compete against the Snap-on set, which costs upwards of $1,000. But it only comes with 18 adapters, and the tester is sold separately. So for a professional coolant pressure tester, $599 for the Icon is a great price. And it feels heavy duty. So yes, Mustang 2433, you did see an Icon coolant pressure tester. Another tool aimed at the professional is the Icon Cooling System Filler. This is used to quickly fill a drained cooling system without the need to bleed it. It's gonna start at $199. You're gonna use it with an air compressor to create a venturi, and then you use one of the adapters from the previously shown Icon toolkit to connect it to the cooling system. Nathan Baxter asked, is that a thermal imaging camera? Yes! These cost in the thousands. The Icon one will start at $349. It might seem a lot at first, but these can make cooling system diagnosis and even HVAC diagnosis that much easier to diagnose. My first impression is that it feels sturdy. It will definitely show you the hot and cold spots. Up next is an existing product re-released in new colors, the Icon 800 Lumen LED. Pat Mac saw one in green, but when I got here it was gone. All we have is these colors. You can find plenty of reviews of this light on YouTube. The one to the left there just dropped about 2 weeks ago. Look for the review of that on this channel. To the right is something I'll definitely purchase, the Icon Test Light. It will also tell you voltage at the test point. It will come with a few adapters and a hard case. All this for $49.99. WizKid is asking for more information on the new Icon TPMS programmer. It shows sensor data. With it, you can update sensor information after tire rotations. And you can install duplicate sensors in additional tires, Pretty cool. It is pricey at $699, but right now it's not connected to anything, so we won't be able to see it in action. What caught my attention here was the new Icon gloves, a much needed item in the Icon lineup. It feels smooth and it looks just like a superhero glove. With one snap, I'll be able to make all the parts changes disappear. Just one snap. Call me Icon Man. The price is gonna be a surprise. Yes, Michael Richards, your hunch is correct. You did see a 3/8" drive, digital torque wrench. It's on its way, you guys. It's gonna cost $299. It's gonna reach up to 100 foot-pounds. And yes, W.Y. Kurt, it is a flex head. A lot of us have been waiting for this one. A question by David Fridley. Are they coming out with an Icon 1/2" drive General Mechanics set? Not this time around. Same with the Glode 1/2" drive ratchet. One of the reps said that it's under development, so we might see it in SEMA 2025. There's already an Icon 35-piece ratchet and bit set, aka the meme tool. We're gonna see a 52-piece 1/4" drive socket and bit set in the near future. It looks like the same ratchet is used. This is gonna be meme tool 2.0. They've added sockets in the typical 1/4" drive range, both metric and SAE. The price is going to be $80 for the mini bit driver with sockets. Some people are not liking this one. Last up are the new G2 professional ratchets made of chromoly steel. The innards have been completely redesigned. The innards are made of nickel chromoly steel, so they're tougher. They also have 80 teeth. There's a gasket that's added that's going to prevent contamination from getting in. These new ratchets are more precise and smoother. I'll definitely pick up these in 3/8 and 1/2 inch drives when they come out. No set price has been given. P-Ward mentions that this is a snap-on ratchet with a Matco handle. Possibly. This is not a direct copy of an existing product. One of the reps mentioned that the legal team would not allow that. Perhaps some slight alterations have been made, or perhaps a patent has expired somewhere, eh? Anywho, I believe these will sell quite well. A few people are already excited for these, such as Mr. Platypus there. I would like to thank 818 Retrofits for the invitation to SEMA. They offer a professional headlight retrofitting service. Their shop is located in the Los Angeles area. Their Instagram page is at 818_retrofits. And that's it. Have a good day.